How to fix FIFA 23 anti-cheat error on your PC. Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with FIFA 23 anti-cheat error on your PC because I received a lot of messages from you guys. I know that right now I am on my phone, but I will say to you the steps that you have to follow so you can fix this error right now. So I will say to you all the steps you have to follow on your PC, on your laptop, what you have. So the first step, you have to go to this PC on your laptop. Then the number two, you have to go to the main disk where you installed FIFA 23 into your disk. You will see where you installed FIFA 23. And then number three, you have to open program files. Number four, you have to go to the EA folder, and then you have to open the AC folder. After that, you have to go to EA anti-cheat.installer, and then you have to select FIFA 23. Then click on uninstall and then click on install, and now you have to open your Steam as an administrator, and you have to do the same thing with FIFA 23 and Origin. Now you have to make sure that the secure mode is activated on your PC, and you have to confirm the changes to restart your computer. So this is how you can fix FIFA 23 anti-cheat error on Origin on your PC. If you do have issues right now with FIFA 23 anti-cheat error, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video and you can subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.